here before the match between Barca and Benfica with a Benfica supporter.
Yeah.
You come from Portugal, isn't it?
We come from France.
From France.
Yeah.
Wow. But you're a
You're
supporter.
Portuguese, but we live in France.
Oh, where in France?
Montpellier.
Montpellier.
Yeah.
Ah, near this and early.
Yeah.
And what do you expect about the match?
We don't know. Maybe a win for Benfica, but
The first time, the first game, you win.
Yeah, but now it's different with the change of trainer.
The weather is so.
No, we don't know.
And what is your thing? What the result will be?
2-2.
2-2.
Yeah. I feel with 2-2.
2-2.
Yeah.
Goals from. Because I don't know. Supporter.
Darwin, Grimaldo, and
Rafa.
no, Grimaldo sur coup franc.
Grimaldo was Barcelona gamer. I remember.
And Darwin for the second.
Hope you enjoy the match. And I'm sorry, I'm a supporter.
Yeah.
I hope you lose.
Thank you.